Hello guys, so today I decided to try some cake. The most surprising thing is that this cake I decided to go a different way. The content of this paste, as you can see here, it's oil. Yeah, I know you're surprised. Salad oil. Salad oil can cook a cake, can bake a cake. So I used salad oil, brown sugar. I did put a bit of chocolate, and then I did some essence. It's having a good smell. Then I'll use two eggs, and this is a mixture of flour, and the most white flour you can see on top is baking powder, because I wanted to try this rich cake and see how it goes. So guys, when it backfires, just know that I was trying, and it's not a must all the time to use the butter and the Blue Band, because sometimes it's good to have a healthy cake. I can call my cake a vegetarian chocolate cake, because of course I'm using oil. So I substituted butter with oil. Let's see how it's gonna go. Like I said earlier, I'm going to try this rich cake. So this is a mixture of eggs, chocolate, sugar, salad oil, and then a little bit of milk, vanilla essence. Yeah, so I opted this than oil than butter, because I want to taste how a vegetable oil can do a cake. So this is basically sieved flour and baking powder. If you like it, bicarbonate soda can also do. So I'm going to mix this to this. I'll pour this solution to this bowl and make a soft butter for a small cake for just one person. I don't know how big it will be, but I'm going to bake a small cake for just one person for 45 minutes. And guess what kind of heat I'm going to use? I'm going to use a 𝐔𝐘𝐒 stove. A 𝐔𝐘𝐒 stove is where you use charcoal. It's a charcoal burner for those people who don't know. So let's see this and see how it's going to come out. Let's pray it come out nicely and fluffy and spongy. Voila, and the butter is already ready. So we're going to bake this up, and we'll see if we can have some breakfast cake for Christmas. Well, it's not Christmas yet, but one of the simple cakes to whip. So wish me luck. Like I said, today I'm going all the way oil. So I have oiled with steel salad, and of course you need to throw some bit of powder or flour for it not to stick. And so this is my solution or my mixture. So I'm going to put it here and bake, like I said, with charcoal fire, with charcoal heat for like 45 minutes. And voila, that's going to be my cake. So let's make this bad boy. Look at it, look at it, look at it. So I'm going to seal it, and just put it on heat. Let's pray that it doesn't backfire on me. Guys, you won't believe this. My cake is so damn fine, looking awesome. Oh my god, I just didn't believe it's so round. Just didn't backfire. Never mind the white residue. Let's flip it up and you see how it's looking. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at it. Oh my god, my chocolate cake. Look at it, look at it. Let's wait for it to cool. Oh my, let's check inside. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't feel like cutting it, but because I want to wait for it to cool, But this is the outcome, guys. This is the outcome. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's cut together and see the inside. You see, it's well cooked. Whenever you put your knife inside a cake, and then it comes with no what? No flour. That's a well cooked cake. Guys, look at it inside. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at it. I'm gonna have a bite of this when it cools down. I'm not going to do anything but just bite it as it is. But look at it. It's a chocolate cake. Simple chocolate cake at home. With very few ingredients. I'll write down on the floor, on the description. Guys, I'm so happy. Do this. I don't know why you haven't subscribed to my channel. As we wait for my cake to cool, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to tell your girlfriends, your boyfriend, your fiancés, your wives, your husbands, all of them, to subscribe to my channel this festive season. I can't believe this. And you know what? I made it through. I substituted what do you call it? Butter with salad oil. Hey, I'm so excited. Yani nimefurahi, imetoka haija backfire. It doesn't backfire. So that's the greatest thing. So let's wait for my cake to cool. Meanwhile, subscribe to my channel. It's always the best channel. And have the greatest moments this Christmas, despite the issues we have around. At least you made it to the end of the year and you can breathe. So, and you can have a bite of such a cake. Woo! Till next time, God bless you, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. See ya. Bye bye. I love you guys.